In this video, I'm going to be sharing a secret which most forex traders will not love to share. And yes, this is forex correlation. Most people don't know about this, but in this video, I'm going to extensively teach you guys about it. But just before that, I have few announcements to make, and here they are. So if you're based in the United States and you've been trying to click the Hot Forex link, it usually pops up saying that you can't create an account. Hot Forex has not done their full adjustment to accept US based clients. But what I'm going to do for you guys is that I'm going to go do research, do a ton of research to find a good broker for those of you that are living in the US or based up in the US. So I'll go do my research in form of a broker review. So I'll do a broker review of them. I'll upload it to the channel before I start recommending them with a link in the description. So just like I did for Hot Forex, I did a Hot Forex review, so you can see that here. And yeah, so if you have any questions, all those this video answers it all. And yeah, that's it for now. And I can't end this video without giving a shout out to Daniel Dixon. I've been seeing your comments. You just watch almost all of my videos, then giving a comment. So more like if you go check now in any of my videos, you must see this type of comment or comment from this person. So I guess you're from South Africa. So yeah, shout out to you in South Africa. So if you want to get a shout out like this, maybe you can go comment. You don't know really, I could. So welcome to classes guys, because I'll take you guys exclusively and I'll be breaking the forex charts data for the correlation. And right here are pairs that actually undergoes this phenomenon. So what I'll do is that I'll break down every single part of it. And yes, this is no rocket science, because I'll be taking you guys step by step, and be sure to leave a like and subscribe for your boy. So yo guys, I'm going to show you guys how these pairs correlate. But first of all, I'll be using GBPUSD as an example. So I'll show you the pairs that actually move along with GBPUSD. So whenever GBPUSD is going up, these pairs are in turn the same way going up, and whenever GBPUSD is going down, they are in the same way going down. So for example, now you can see at the moment, just at the moment here, GBPUSD is riding on a serious uptrend. So the correlating pairs with GBPUSD, whenever whenever GBPUSD is taking a direction, whether up or down, those pairs still follow that same direction. At these pairs, they are Euro USD and GBP JPY. So right now we can see that GBPUSD is in an uptrend. So let's go over to Euro USD to see the trend that is in the market. So let's go over there. As you can see, the same thing happened in Euro USD. I don't know if you guys could see the spike here, so let me use an arrow to represent that. So I don't know if you guys could see the spike here. So this same spike that happened at this point also happened in GBPUSD. So let's take a look at GBPUSD. You can see Euro USD is in an uptrend. Let's take a look at GBPUSD. GBPUSD is in an uptrend, and you can see they are correlating. They move along, they move in the same direction. So whenever GBPUSD is moving in an uptrend, just have it in the back of your mind that USD is also moving in an upward direction. And you can take a look at the same spike we found out in Euro USD. We can still find that spike on GBPUSD. So this is what I mean by correlating pairs. So like I said, there are three pairs that actually correlate with GBPUSD, which is Euro USD and GBP JPY. So let's take a look at GBP JPY, whether GBP JPY is in an uptrend or not. So let's take a look at that. So GBP JPY, as you can see, GBP JPY has been in an uptrend, but right at the moment, GBP JPY has a red candlestick, a big red candlestick. Although you can find out that the trend in GBPUSD is the same as the trend in GBP JPY, because this is an uptrend. If I put the moving average here, you guys will see it's clear there is an uptrend. So although these things, the chart does not follow they don't correlate with each other. Sometimes they don't correlate with each other, in full terms, if you understand what I mean. So sometimes whenever how will I put it? Sometimes whenever GBPUSD is going up, it's at GBP, JPY or EUUSD can be retracing. So stuff like that. So that's what we actually see in the market. So now let's go over to the next pair. And now I'm going to show you guys the anti-reverse of GBPUSD. So this anti-reverse system is the pair that goes opposite direction to GBPUSD. So I'm just leaving you guys with these few touches. I hope you guys could use this to in the market. And yes, let's dive into it. So like I said, the next pair we're looking at is pair that goes in the opposite direction to GBPUSD. So whenever GBPUSD is going up, that pair is going down, and whenever GBPUSD is going down, that pair is going up, and that pair is the let me move on to GBPUSD. So and that pair is the Euro GBP. So whenever GBPUSD is in an uptrend, just take a look at Euro GBP. Euro GBP will be going down. So let's take a look at Euro GBP at the moment. So let's see. You can see Euro GBP is in a downtrend, and while GBPUSD is in an uptrend. I hope you guys are getting lots of information through this, because if you value this, it will help you a long way. So you can see this Euro GBP is moving in a downtrend. As we said, whenever GBPUSD is going up, we expect Euro GBP to be going down. So this is a reverse of Euro GBP. I don't want to repeat that twice, but you guys will see it with your own eyes. Look at Euro GBP is in a bearish trend, and GBPUSD is in an uptrend. So another pair that I'll leave with you guys that does this same correlation is AUDUSD. So let's go over to AUDUSD now. So AUDUSD correlates with a pair which is NZDUSD. So right now we can see that price has not yet taken any direction on AUDUSD, but let's this is a consolidating market. But now let's take a look at NZDUSD. Taking a look at NZDUSD, you see NZDUSD is still not moving in a direction, just like AUDUSD is. So you can see NZDUSD is consolidating. Let's take a look at AUDUSD. Same thing is happening. AUDUSD consolidating. And here I've dropped the nuggets, I've dropped the secrets, I've dropped everything you need to know about forex correlation. This knowledge, dropping a like would be good. I'll appreciate, and subscribing if you're not yet subscribed. So if you're not yet subscribed, what I want you to do now is look at that red subscribe button. Make sure make it on as so. I want you guys to subscribe. I hope you guys got value. But I hope you guys got value. And if you have any comment, just leave it in the comment section. If you have anything to tell me, leave it in the comment section. And yeah, with that being said, man, you know what I do. I'm out.